The golden age of America begins right now.
The golden age of America begins today. This was the opener to his inaugural speech at the White House by the new president Donald Trump. In this speech we can find a lot of insights for us investors. Stay until the end of the video because we will have a look to a stock that literally can go to the space. We go here in our tool manager and we go to the AI agent in the forecaster. As you probably already noticed, we have a new button which is Trump inauguration speech highlight, and the artificial intelligence do something really interesting and something great, which is giving us the speech highlights, of course telling us which is the company that probably will benefit from this bullet point, and of course the company which will not benefit. And probably yes, Sven, this is the chat. You can write your question if you have. Of course, you can use it. And first of all, the Trump speech was focused on the first bullet point, which is America First policy. It's not a joke. The speech of the Trump speech started with the new golden age for United States start today. And guys, I really believe this could really happen because this is a guy who really would like to leave something in the United States. And I really think his intention is really fair, is really transparent. Okay. And as you can see here in our highlight made by the artificial intelligence, the administration emphasized prioritizing American interest with a focus on sovereignty and rebuilding trust in government. And this is something amazing. We will have some company that probably will benefit from this investment, for example, in infrastructure, in the society actually. And we're talking about Caterpillar, which is a very interesting company. Again, another bullet point, very important one, is the restoration of justice and law order. And in this case, we can find a company suggested by the artificial intelligence, which is Palantir. It's a company we already talked about many times because it's one of the first company that use the artificial intelligence in order to analyze and enforce the intelligence. And government use Palantir services in order to let the law be respected. And this is something really interesting. Okay. National emergency declaration, of course, you probably heard. And in this case, the company that probably will benefit it's KBR. It's a company which is a provider of government services and infrastructure, okay, together with Caterpillar, okay. And we have to talk about Tesla because yesterday, completely, in my opinion, unexpected, Iron Tufik, Mr. Trump said something regarding the ban of the market incentives for the electric transportation. And if we go to Yahoo Finance and we have a look to Tesla shares at the moment, let me share with you. This is why today Tesla shares are dropping. This is something strange, in my opinion, because of course Trump then talked about the conquest of Mars, And Elon Musk was really happy. If we go here and I can find you Musk happy Mars. Look, yes, we can find it. Yes, this is the frame where you can see Musk excited by the news that America will put a flag on Mars. Of course, this guy was excited because it's his dream. We are talking about Elon Musk dream, okay? And but the topic regarding the electric vehicle was really strange for me. And of course, talking about this point, artificial intelligence said, even if in the pre-market session, Tesla was up, was in a positive territory, the artificial intelligence told us that it was not a good news, and this is why it's tumbling at the moment. At the end of the day, I really think that this is a bad news for the short term, but I really think that I don't know when, I don't know how, but Trump will allow Tesla to use autonomous driving software on American roads. And this is something I really think that will allow Tesla to skyrocket a lot on the market, because we have to remember, guys, that Tesla, fundamentally speaking, if we go here to the forecaster terminal, we can see is still very undervalued, more than 100% undervalued. Okay, the fair value, the correct price for the stock is more than 1,000 euro, and the company is booming, is skyrocketing. The results are really good, and the company is growing. Okay, and I really think that maybe they decide, for sure they talked about what Trump would say said in the speech, in the inauguration speech, and I really think they are on the same line. And in the short term, this is a bad news for Tesla, but I really think in the long run, Mr. Trump will give a boost to Tesla, allowing the self-driving on American road. I don't know what you think, but I found really strange these I don't know how to say this trick. Let me search let me translate, for example, this joke. I mean, it was something like a joke. Okay, when I heard Trump talking about electric vehicle and said that he will go out from the Green Deal, I said, oh my God, what's happening? Tomorrow we will find Tesla minus 20% in the stock market. At the beginning, Tesla was in a positive territory. Now it's below. We are losing 3%. But as I told you, I really think in the short term, bad news, but this is something that Trump will give back to Mr. Elon. And we will be very happy because the company, as you probably know if you follow my weekly webinar, it's really undervalued. It's really solid. We really love Tesla, and we really think that this company can skyrocket again. And I really think in 2025, we will find a new all-time high well above $500 per shares. Okay? Let me know what you think in the comment, in the chat. Let me know which are your thoughts regarding Tesla. But we can go on. Of course, one of the most important point of Trump's speech was the energy independence. He, for real, said, drill, baby, drill. And of course, in this case, we can talk about as a benefiting company ExxonMobil, of course, because we expect this company will increase oil drilling, as Trump said. So how can you not how can you not start drilling more if the new president is saying at the inauguration speech, drill baby drill? It's incredible, something that can only happen in the United States. Crazy country, we love United States. And of course, and we are talking for the short term, Nextra Energy, which is a company active in the renewable energy sector, of course, is a not benefiting company. And at the end, this one, Conquest of Mars. This is something really, really ambitious. And this is, of course, a gift to Elon Musk. As we said, he was really happy. It was so exciting to hear his friend Donald Trump talking about Mars. Of course, SpaceX will benefit, but unfortunately, it's private. But look, because something really interesting happened. Because, of course, the Forecaster AI agent is searching, is scraping the web all the time, constantly, 24 hours, 7 days per week. And if we go here to the megatrend section, look, we can find, together with the artificial intelligence and automation, the aging health and wellness megatrend. We can find a new megatrend inside our topic, which is the space mining and carbon removal. This is something really interesting. Artificial intelligence gave us as a suggestion in order to this could be a new megatrend, this could be a new sector. And of course, and I really would like to know what you think about it, but in my opinion, the uh, the real goal for these mega rich people, Bezos, Musk, and Larry Ellison, for example, to go in the space is this one, guys: mining asteroids. I really think the long-term goal for these guys is going in the space, catch the asteroids, or going to another planet and extract prime materials like lithium, cobalt, and all this kind of material we need on the earth in order to let the technology growing and work. Okay, what do you think about it? I really think this is the ultimate goal for these very rich people, because they need for their company and for the future these kind of material, which of course the space is full of. Okay, because if you find a way to catch an asteroid, it's full of gold, it's full of many of these kind of materials. And if someone will be able to do this, it will be the most rich ever person in the world we cannot even imagine. Okay, what do you think about it? I really think this is the ultimate goal for this kind of people. And look, we have something really interesting suggested by the artificial intelligence, which is this company, Intuitive Machines. We have also the ticker, and we can go here in the forecaster terminal. And look, we have a company which is active in the industrial sector and more specifically in the aerospace and defense. And this company manufactures and supplies space products and services. It offers space products and services to support sustain robotics and human exploration to the moon, Mars, and beyond. Okay? Very interesting because Lunar today, this company, is skyrocketing plus 20% on the stock market in a single day. And this is something our agent, Forecaster AI agent, suggested yesterday evening. Very interesting. Very, very interesting. Okay? Of course, we can analyze the company, fundamentally speaking, but the company is a mess because look, they have less than 100 million in sales. This is a company that is losing a lot of money because if we switch to quarterly, this company is losing a lot of money, and I mean, it is not a safe investment for sure. Okay, we can also go here to the solidity part of the Forecaster terminal and look. Forecaster is always very transparent with us, and at the moment, this company is in a high risk of bankruptcy. Okay, this is a company which at the moment is a bet. Okay, so I will put in my watch list, but I would like to wait a little bit because I'm not the kind of investor who invests because of the hype. Okay, but I really like to invest because of numbers, as you probably know if you follow my weekly webinar. And that's it. The company is quite growing, let's say. This is something really we can probably talk about in about, I don't know, 5-10 years, because really I cannot see the possibility to uh, other planet exploration. So at the moment, uh, we will have a look. I mean, this is something like this is a sector. This could be a mega trend, like, for example, the quantum computers we saw last month, okay, which is something that maybe can be in hype like intuitive machine is today because of the new president said we will go to Mars. And of course, this is a consequence of the speech. But I don't know if I would like to invest in this company for the long run. Okay, science fiction, Malachi saying. Yes, science fiction. Okay.
If you like this video, please subscribe to the next webinar. You can attend it live and you can find the link in the description. If you like our software Forecaster Terminal, feel free to try it. You can find the link in the description too.